Hi guys, it's office day today, but before we start our work, let's head first to Tea Life and get some snacks to start up our day. After choosing my food and drinks, I handed my Brewkada card, so that means I'm part of their Brewkada circle. Ayan, so this is my fit for today. Ang ganda kasi may malaking mirror dun sa store. And the store looks so cozy and may outlets, so pwedeng dalhin yung laptop to work or just to chill. So here, pakita ko yung loob ng store. Sobrang linis and malaki siya, guys. And then here, I got my order na. I ordered the Dahong Pao Cafe Latte and Egg Mayo Toasty. Actually, this is my favorite coffee, guys. Kasi meron siyang twist of tea and then yung kick ng coffee. That's why I really love this and ang sarap talaga ng taste niya. You should try it also. And for the toasty, this is the egg mayo. And ang sarap kasi may cheese din siya. And then with the lettuce. So, I am very prepared na for my day. After finishing my toasty, ayan, relax muna tayo sa cafe, sa shop. And then, ubusin muna natin to. So, that's how I prepare for my day at the office. Thank you, T-Live. Bye! Till next time!